8:02 a.m. The captain noticed that water was rushing the deck so quickly. He shut the watertight doors as quick as he can. He's about to ask the command to give out lifeboats. The ship is sinking slower than usual, though. Thanks to those new watertight doors, thank God. The ship probably would have sunk in a second if it was hit. The ship is sinking too quickly, though. Not a problem, though. The ship may not even sink at all. The Paperwhite Starline built it so good. I thought it was never going to sink when I had that command. Half of us started laughing like, are you sure, Captain? Are you just playing games with us? It was real. This thing, the ship could actually sunk. That was bad. I thought to myself. And then a giant gash happened in the side of the boat. And then rips started happening. I knew to myself that this was real. So we had to quickly put out the life gas. Get out! Get out of it! The watertight doors were going slow. Suddenly the boat kind of broke. As there's no time for the watertight doors are working good. But now we had a new complaint. It was sinking fast. Faster than what we could imagine. Too fast to say. Those lifeboats will not be able to make it out in time. They will not get out. As the lifeboats actually collapsed, the bow was sinking. Oh God, the stern was sinking. We had to cut the ropes on some of the lifeboats. Cut them, I said cut them. I need a couple lifeboats you have. Then the ship started to sink. As it went, it brought the lifeboats with them. It flipped over, and then it took to rest. Ship kind of capsized for a little bit. Then it started flipping back over. But somehow, it's all left out of the water like magic. Not entirely, though. Those watertight doors would have probably did better. They even lost us 5 minutes with those watertight doors before they sunk. It's probably just going to sink to the bottom of the ocean now. It's the paper tail like lead. Now you can see somehow the watertight doors were made. Let's look in the front of the bell. The watertight statues are created for us. Even if the watertight doors will make it impossible to float. Probably because the watertight doors were not close enough. Plus a ship kind of capsized. And many times was slapped in the ocean floor, finally came to rest. All mangled. Yes. I wish the sink was longer, the captain said in his final words. I hope it was longer. Rescue came. It's like come real quickly. Boop, boop. Basically, the boat basically sunk in 16 seconds. This right here is basically how the boat sunk. How it was gonna sink. You see watertight doors there, right? Okay. Is there not gonna be water in this? Yeah. Oh, you see that boat right there, right? Put some weight in it. Thinks faster. See that boat, right? Man. This was one of the quickest boats to sink. Yeah, there should be enough weight. Basically, I forgot to put it back out. Basically, the watertight doors work. They're in that boat. Like that. There's a wall. Basically water. Wall basically cardboard. To stop the boat from just sinking to the bottom of the ocean. Also I need to recover some stuff. Some lifeboats. Lifeboat 15 sunk. It's basically see it? The boat is taking a while because there's watertight doors in there. But when it gives away, basically, like an example like this one, when it gives away, it goes to the next compartment. It basically creates that effect right there. With that. It's basically how the boat sunk. Also, I have to go eat. But here's the example boat basically. One of the rescue boats has sunk. And we have a couple of these. But yeah, I forgot this one. Then we have this. Remember this guy? Then this is basically the remains of that boat. Anyways, bye.